this video, I will tell you how to create slope map in ArcGIS. Open ArcGIS map. First of all, we have to remove our datasets. I will add my DEM. If you don't have a DEM, I have already made a video on how to download your digital elevation model. So I will add my DEM, SRTM DEM, CUP. No, I will take some smaller areas. Green. Wait, I have to add DEM here. If you don't have any idea how to download DEM, you can also see this how I am making this happen. DEM India, add here. Here is add DEM also. Already add. Now I will add my shapefile. Wait a minute. Shapefile. State or stick. Uh, which one is small? Delhi. It's a small area. Zoom to layer. Okay. First of all, I have to clip my study region of DEM. Clip. Select input raster. Delhi. Check both the options and OK. It's take a little bit time. Now it's done. I will just remove my I will remove my India DM because it's too much large or too much heavy. Here is your DM. You have a DM. Now what you can do is run a tool of slope. Go to search, type slope 3D. You can choose both the options, slope 3D or slope analysis. I will open slope, insert raster DM. If you want in degree, then choose degree. If you want in percentize, it's you can choose both of them और किसी में भी आप कर सकते हो ठीक है. I will choose degree. Okay, okay, done. By default, you have to go on this. Okay, now what you can do is it's your DM. Now the challenging part is not challenging part. How you can map, how you can make a good slope map in high and low or high, low, very high, है ना? This type of slope maps. What we can do, first of all, we have to export this data because it's in by default in ArcGIS. You can save. I have already choose test right slope format if okay save done. What here I'm doing, I will make ranges of very low, medium, high, very high slope categories. So go to the classified. It's already in classes. Choose this color or whatever you want. Okay. What here you can do is mm, very low, very low, type, very low, low, moderate, high, very high, very high. Apply and OK. From these examples, you can make your slope maps. Okay. What you can also do is reclassify, reclassify, search reclassify in toolbox, reclassify. Very low. No, no. Just classify into 5 classes. Okay, okay, okay. Run this tool. Now you have a 5 classes, and now add according to the high, low range. Add table, add field, degree, yeah, type, yeah, range, text, 50, 30. Now select which one. One is our very low, very low. Select this, right click on this field calculator, low, moderate, moderate, select high, very high. Okay, and select cut. Now classify. Go to the tab, range, select the range, choose color, low, moderate, high, here is just an example. You can choose whatever you color you want. So low, moderate, high, everything I have added. I hope it's make a difference in your studies. I hope it's a fine video for you. I hope you can learn a lot of things related to slow. Okay, thank you.